Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the external antenna, loosen the 2 screws securing the left side cover and lift the cover off the system. Identify the external antenna and loosen the 2 bolts. Disconnect the cables to remove the antenna from the system. To reinstall the external antenna, reconnect the antenna cables to the system. Tighten the 2 bolts. Secure the left side cover with the 2 screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.